Dear students, let us continue. Data types in Java. So I told data types. Data type will tell to you the type of data, even tell to the compiler the type of data. What kind of data a variable is holding. That is a data type. Okay, and it is also helpful for the allocation of the memory. There are two categories: primitive and non-primitive. Remember, primitive are the independent data types. These are also called inbuilt data types, right? And remember, the size of these primitive data types are fixed. Okay, already fixed. We can't alter the size, memory size. Okay, remember that. So what are the categories? And let us first understand the definition of non-primitive data types. So non-primitive data types are the dependent data types. Dependent on what? Primitive data types. Second, the size is not fixed. Okay, size varied of these non-primitive data types. Okay, and to declare the non-primitive data types, we need the primitive data types. With the help of primitive data types, we can only declare that. Okay, and we call also non-primitive data types as a composite data type. Okay, so I hope this will be clear to you. So let us see. In primitive categories, numeric data types and non-numeric data types. Numeric, integer, floating type, and non-numeric, characters and boolean type. Again, in integer there is a category byte, short, int, long. So these all four refers to the integer data type. The size is different. For byte there is 1 byte, for short there are 2 bytes, for int 4 bytes, and long 8 bytes. You can also note down, it will be helpful to you. Okay, so there is a different size. Floating numbers, that is a real numbers which contains the decimal point. There are two categories for this: float and double. The size of float is 4 bytes and the size of double is 8 bytes. Okay, then non-numeric characters, every character has 2 bytes. Okay, on 2 bytes only we can use at a time only one character, and which can be of how much? 2 bytes. Boolean, the size of boolean is only 1 bit, not byte, 1 bit. Remember, a byte consists of 8 bits. Okay, and bit, byte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, these all are the data storage units, remember, of the computer. As we use kilogram, okay, gram, kilogram, like that. The non-primitive data types, there are 3 categories. Classes, these are the examples: classes, arrays, interface. Okay, so what does it mean? We have to declare that. As we declare the values, as per that the size is defined. String also you can include, okay, in this string, remember. Okay, because string is a group of characters. Whatever number of characters will be there, that will be the that much will be the size of the string, right? So I hope this will be clear to you. So I told that these are categories. These are the size: for byte 1 byte, short 2 byte, int 4 byte, and long 64 bits, that is 8 bytes. 1 byte consists of 8 bits, remember. This is the format, means example. Remember, the declaration is fixed. Don't use any uppercase letters. Java is case sensitive language, so you have to use same characters. Then floating point, that is real type. The size of float is 32 bits, that is 4 bytes, and double 8 bytes. characters I told, that is 2 bytes. You need to remember this range, ASCII range.